Aerospace is a major market for Capacitec's non-contact displacement gap mapping sensors and systems. Capacitec's portable and battery-operated Gapman achieves shimming gap measurements 5 times faster compared to traditional feeler gauges. This reduces overall costs, enhances structural integrity, and greatly assists process improvement. An internal data logger feeds a documented shim gap measurement database to increase shipset production rates and profitability. Traditional feeler gauges can measure gaps with access to parallel surfaces. Gapman can measure inboard and hidden gaps where the gap dimensions change along the inside depth of a tapered space, where traditional feeler gauges cannot measure beyond their own thickness. Gapman's flexibility allows its wands to be inserted into difficult-to-access gaps with ease. The Gapman digital approach to recording and transmitting accurate data provides faster gap measurement throughput to support efficient manufacturing processes. This reduction in lead time allows assembly operations to measure more gaps without the risk of manual data transcription errors. Gapman is superior to traditional gap measurement methods, such as metal feeler gauges and plastic shims, which are prone to operator subjectivity and do not automatically record and store error-free data. Gapman Gen 4 introduces a new dual ultra-thin sensor for even smaller gaps down to 0.004 inches or 100 microns. Gapman Gen 4 MP supports custom-designed multi-point wands that can measure up to 8 unique positions simultaneously and communicate location data of an entire shim area wirelessly via Bluetooth connectivity to shim fabrication, increasing positional reliability and efficiency. The Gapman tool delivers labor cost savings for aircraft, power turbine engines, and electric motor generator manufacturers. To improve throughput, reduce costs, and improve product quality, contact a Capacitec sales and application engineer. Call us or send us an email at sales@capacitec.com.